Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to make Amazon Chime dark mode. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Amazon Chime app. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the settings option. Then after you do so, you will find the appearance option, which is under the general subline. So once you tap on the appearance, you can find the light mode and dark mode in it. So to change it into dark mode, simply tap on dark mode. So if you want to later change it into light mode, then you can even tap on light mode to do so. So once you select the dark mode option as per your liking, your Chime app will now turn into the dark mode setting. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.